Welcome everybody to another episode of Ready Vominos. A couple weeks ago we actually did a review on the Mickey waffle makers, but this time we have something different.
Not just any kind of toast, but the Polynesian resort famous Tonga Toast. And we're going to be trying it out right here, right now.
Stay tuned.
For this recipe, you will need...
Yeah, we kind of messed up. We didn't get the right sourdough, so we'll see how this goes. Now we're gonna whip up some eggs, put all 4 eggs in a medium bowl. Then mix it all together, add some milk, cinnamon, sugar, mix it all well, and then put it off to the side. Alright guys, now we got the batter going. Now it's time to put it all together, get the sourdough going, and also get the bananas into this thin sliced sourdough.
Alright, for the coating of the Tonga Toast, you will need 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, as well as 1/4 of a cup, 1/4 of a teaspoon, not a cup, teaspoon of cinnamon.
Alright guys, next is putting in the oil. Hopefully we don't have the same incident as the churro video that we had. Look up there to see it, what happens. Now that we got our bananas, we're going to cut them in half, then we're going to cut them crossways as well. This is going to be for when we put them on the bread. Since we have those thin slices of sourdough, we're just going to place them right on top and then make a sandwich out of them instead. So normally if we had those thicker sourdough bread, this is the part where we would place the bread sliced flat on the countertop and tear it out just enough from the middle, and then stuff the bananas inside the sourdough bread. Then repeat it and do it all over again for each of the bread. Alright, now we get to put that signature cinnamon sugar, put it all together, and then have that sweet, sweet taste of Tonga Toast. Earlier, I decided to make the sandwich batter together and place it in the pan, but this time we decided to cook the batter slices first. Coat them with the cinnamon sugar, then place your bananas right in between, and boom, you have another sandwich. It still came out just the same. Now my favorite part, the whipped cream. Yeah. Now you know how to make Disney Tonga Toast. Go ahead and try it out, but remember kids, have your parents around to help you with all that oil. We want to thank our new subscribers to the channel. Until next time, tell your friends, tell your mom, your neighbor to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys next time.